Hi, my name is Brandon, and today we're going to learn how to do Rock the Baby, Part 4. So, Rock the Baby is a medium level trick. So we're going to throw it down. You're going to make an L shape like the Robin Hood, like we learned in video 3. If you want, you can go back and watch that if you haven't already. We're going to wrap it around that L shape with the other hand, not the hand with the string, the other hand. So we're gonna wrap it around like this, and it should be touching the tip of your thumb and the tip of your pinky. Basically, going to kind of turn this hand, that's got the one that has the pinky wrapped around and the thumb wrapped around. You're gonna like turn it. Then you might have this triangle form. You can take your middle or your pointer and your middle, and then you're gonna like keep tugging until it has enough length for the yo-yo to go through. And then you basically have done Rock the Baby. So it's gonna be very hard, and you might wanna keep watching this video. Let me explain it again. You're going to make the L shape, turn it with the other hand, not the string hand, the other hand. Wrap it around, turn the hand with the string that's wrapped around, and then you should have this triangle then, and then you can just rock your little baby. One more time, really close up.
Because I wasn't in the right spot.
Now I'm gonna do it one more time with it spinning. That should be what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye.